I'm Janelle Derrick.
And I'm Mio de Gracia.
And we're educators for bareMinerals. Today, we're going to be demystifying blush. We have a brand new collection called GEN Nude Blushes. They're so soft and subtle or pigmented, depending on what kind of application you want. And Mio and I are here together to show you different application techniques. So with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to apply a color called Pink Me Up. And this is gonna give you that perfect soft flush. Think of when somebody gives you a compliment or your first kiss and you get that heat in your face. That's the flush color that we're going for. So I'm just gonna dip in lightly. And these are very highly pigmented, so you don't need a lot of this product. And I'm just going to cup the apple of my cheek. You can smile if it makes it easier for you. You'll notice that the intensity is right at the front part of my cheek, so the apple, and then gently swept back so it looks very natural. So now we're gonna have Mio come back and show you a different blush application.
So I'm gonna show you a different type of application. I actually chose a color called Beige for Days, and it's just a soft, natural warmth to your complexion. We're going to take an angle brush, load your brush, tap, and then you're going to apply in the hollows of your face. If you're unsure where that is, just open your mouth, and you're gonna see a space right in between your cheeks and your chin.
That looks so beautiful on you.
Thank you. I feel beautiful.
Good. And it's so easy to achieve any blush look that you're trying to get with these products. They create a soft focus effect, so they literally blur your complexion, which is excellent for fine lines, for blemishes, and it doesn't clog your pores.